Airbus Helicopters is the world's leading civil and military helicopter manufacturer. In the context of market global leadership, sustaining this position requires the ability to deliver innovation rapidly so as to stay ahead of the competition and industry technology standards. It is also about the ability to rely on manufacturing capabilities that strengthen production best practices and offer flexibility to react to market demand. From the machining of elementary parts up to the final assembly lines, the helicopter manufacturing process is spread across different, specialized workshops in which highly skilled personnel operate every day. Today, information is collected and transcribed on paper before being recaptured in the ERP system. Managing this supply chain complexity requires real-time information sharing, a key element of a fully mastered production process. Every day, unplanned events happen on the shop floor. Missing parts, compliance non-conformance, or machine breakdowns. Each of these events starts a chain reaction that disrupts activities of companion processes, which then impacts the supply chain, lead times and WIP levels, ultimately lowering overall efficiency. Moving a step further along the digital transformation journey, Airbus Helicopters and Dassault Systems are joining forces to implement Delmia Apriso Manufacturing Operations Management System. By removing paper from production workflows, digitizing information and making it available on any desktop or mobile device, it will be possible to better streamline processes and get more control over supply chain operations. Improving visibility to a real-time view on production events makes it much easier to acknowledge shop floor events, to assess them, and then to make decisions to synchronize activities that best react to the situation. This new solution will provide everyone with a clear and simple view of their objectives of the next operation, at any time and in real time, by using their mobile device or by looking at andon screens. This new process enables the right person to find the right information quickly and then take action. This digital future factory will bring efficiency and effectiveness all along the supply chain. This strategy can allow Airbus to better master their supply chain and build to rate. In the end, it will result in the achievement of manufacturing excellence at the heart of each and every Airbus helicopter.